Once you started this new type of tantric sexuality, did you find that you needed to give sexual situations a little nudge to get them going, to put a bit of effort into starting them?
It's well, what is the biggest difference I would say is that the again the normal horniness is so much more focused on how and what you're gonna do in your mind. So you're much more occupied before you start having sex that you're going to have sex. So that is sort of making it already like that. And when you have a lot of tantric sex, that gets off a little. So you don't have, or at least with me it worked that way, that I wasn't so much occupied with wanting to have sex all the time. But the moment you get into a situation that it might happen that you're going to have sex, then I was getting horny right away. But it's a different way. It's not so much like horny, but more like a calm horniness. Always with this, always the little joke comes up in my head of an old bull and then a young bull are standing on the top of the hill looking down on the cattle down there, a lot of cows, and then the young bull says to the old guy, "Well, let's run down and fuck them all." And then the old bull said, no, wait, just let's walk down and fuck one really good. That's a little where you want to go.
So what's the punchline?
The difference between the young horny and the quantity thing.
Yeah.
I would say it is more like since you're doing it more consciously, so you sort of set the opportunity to have sex by, for example, having a date. So I would say you plan it a little more in advance. So the moment it happens, you can just relax into the moment and into whatever wants to happen, instead of the other way around, that you sort of assume that you're going to have sex, so you have to have sex. And if that's basically maybe the difference, right? Does that make sense? Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, I felt that the whole attitude, the whole motivation to interact with someone sexually became different. So there was no more goal and more relaxation. So yeah, the start would also be different. It wouldn't come from this this needy horniness, but more from let's see what wants to happen, and more out of curiosity.